Hey, what's up guys? This is PTC channel. Today is December 23, 2025. So ngayon, it's let's do unboxing. Hey, what's up? This is PTC channel. So ngayon it's may papakita ko sa inyong nabili ko. Kaya i-unbox natin. Nakuha ko. It's Hot Wheels. Hindi naman to surprise. Kaya papakita ko naman sa inyo. Binili ko talaga to kasi hindi siya random. So, dalawa siya guys. Itong isa pinili ko. Dito lang, ito yung isa. Itong isa sa Philippines. Itong isa sa Indonesia. So, anong uunahin natin guys? So, ang gusto ko talaga unahin guys is itong sa Philippines. So, unahin natin itong nabili ko. Siyempre, dito sa Philippines na guys, so yan, naka-fragile pa oh. Fragile, handle with care. Don't fall, not pressure. Okay, so let's open this. Actually, isang car lang to. Yung other parcel is isang car lang din. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-upload guys. Alam niyo na. How to open it. Right. May kahon din. Ang ganda ng pagka-packaging nila. No guys. Ang ganda ng packaging. Okay. So, yan. So, tunayin natin. So, buksan natin to. Pala. At binili ko to guys sa RNG Toy Collectibles sa Green Hills. More bukas pa tayo guys. Ayan. There, inside, there's nothing inside. Okay, ito na. Okay, ito guys. Bubble wrap yata. Ay, ganito na lang pwede na. Alright guys, this is it. Yeah. Alright guys. So yan. So, first Hot Wheels pala. Ito yung nakuha natin. It's tong na 1994 Audi Avant RS2. Napakaganda guys, oh. 1990s car na Hot Wheels. So yan, siya ay nasa 2 out of 10, 70s versus the 90s. It's Hot Wheels 70s versus the 90s. And it's made from Mattel. Ayan. Napakaganda nitong car na to guys. Wala akong masabi. Tapos at the back, ayan. Post it if you read. It's made from Mattel, empowering generations through play. Guys, wala siyang yung card niya, no. Wala siyang damage, no. Ayan. Tapos yung J-hook niya, ayan, walang ring damage. Talagang pwede pa siya isabit, no. Kasi wala siyang damage, no. Maayos ang pagka-packaging, no. Kahit galing pa itong San Juan to dito sa Rizal, maayos ang packaging para hindi ko siguradong ma-damage. Ayan, tas napakaganda ng car na to, no, guys. Alright. Easy seat. Ang ganda, oh, guys. abangan nyo guys, bibili pa tayo ng Hot Wheels or action figure, abangan nyo. So, ayan. Napakaganda guys, at the bottom natin, ayan. I love this car. Guys, next, packaging tayo. So, next naman tong galing Indonesia. Para natin ito i-open. How to open it. Alam ko na. Guys, ito. Oh, okay. Okay, ayan. Shhh. Diyan. No. Ho, ho, ho. May kanto rin siya para hindi ma-damage. Ayan guys, yung newspaper na Indonesia guys, oh. Talagang ibang salita nila, oh. Udara mas. Hindi ko gets isa itang Indonesian speak. Ayan guys, ito yung nakuha rin natin. It's tong syempre una, may kasama pa siyang stickers. Ayan, Hot Wheels. Kada bumibili ako guys from Indonesia ng Hot Wheels, lagi sila may, yung toy store nila guys, lagi may libreng hot stickers. Ayan. Alright. Yes! Oh my God! I love it. So guys, ito yung nabili natin. Nakuha natin itong Nissan Skyline RS-KD R30. Ayan guys, ito yung Hot Wheels Japan import. Ayan, nakakuha rin tayo guys, oh, ng Nissan Skyline RS-KD R30. It's 1 out of 10. Napakaganda na yun guys, grabe oh. Wala pa rin ng damage. Wala pala siya masyadong damage, oh. Pati yun. Post-it. Ayan. Post-it, if you read. Ayan, Nissan Motor Corporation. It's made from Mattel. Ayan. Ang ayos tignan, no, guys. Ayan, Nissan Skyline. Oh, ang ganda, guys, oh. Tapos ito pa yung nabili natin, oh. Awesome. Ang ganda talaga, guys. Wala akong masabi. Tsaka rin ito, napaka-astig. Yan, number 6. Ayan, nakalagay RS Turbo. I love the wheels. Ganda guys, solid. Yan guys, nabili nating Hot Wheels. Pakaganda guys talaga. Wala akong masabi. Ayan guys, oh, cool. So, ang ganda guys. So, nakabili tayo na itong Hot Wheels. No? Solid. Ayan guys, so, leave a comment and like, subscribe, no more get a notification. Merry Christmas guys, and Happy New Year. 2 days to go before Christmas. And have a Merry Christmas. Guys, 182 subscribers. See you guys next time. Bye.